Here I have Realme C25Y, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Swiftkey Autocorrection feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings. Then you have to go to the system section, languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, text correction. Here you can find this option, autocorrection, correct words while typing, and here you can switch it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.